same size? See if the shirts are the same size. That'll tell you. Want to go over there?
This is 7-8.
Jeeves got more than us.
Weird. He's got the same thing. He's lucky. He got twin trucks. My guy's got twin trucks. I just said that. Except with the wrong people. Really? See, he's getting sacked.
Oh yeah, he has a girl now.
A girl construction worker?
Look at this. It's like,
Everything out for you?
yeah. Take that. Oh. I wish I would get those.
What's that? What else? Put that in his bag.
You're gonna need to get new shorts
This
for.
is a candy. These are gum again. He's got a candy truck. How much?
A candy truck?
Yeah, candy truck. They're both the same size.
Also, pick a basket then. Ah, they're probably the same, guys.
No. I think this one is. Why?
Dear Caroline and Catherine,
What?
I enjoyed the carrots very much. They were very crunchy and sweet. Corinne, your note was extra special. I wish children all over the world thought more about Jesus. It is really more important to remember Jesus at Easter than me, the Easter Bunny, because it's from him I received my goodness. Catherine, I'm sorry I didn't read what you actually asked for, but this is what I already said for you both. And for Lauren, I know that she's a big girl. Mom and Dad usually already loves meat. I have something in mind for her. Enjoy your special Easter Sunday and the sweets in your baskets. Love the Easter Bunny.
Hi, Jeeves.
Mommy.
What? Oh, Daddy's gonna open it for you. Don't be sad. Dad's gonna open it for you.
Wanna go see it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
He doesn't get it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Huh? Pom-poms?
Yeah.
You have pom-poms.
Yeah, but I know.
Those are hula hoops.
I know. She's a big mom.
Maybe she just forgot the name that they are. Hey,
Mommy, remember we had this one where he was Jesus.
what is that?
Those gums.
Ooh, I hope he saved enough for me.
See how many I got.
Oh my gosh, I think you have enough for me.
Hey, gum.
Ha 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 ha.
Need some money. 7.
Ooh, definitely enough for me.
But I really don't want it.
Wanna do the dumper? Wanna do the dumper?
Put the lady in. That's 7 pieces of gum in there.
Wrong way, James.